They lied to you about strength, told you it's just about muscles, protein shakes, or gym selfies. But real strength isn't surface level, it's survival. It's primal. And most men today are dying slowly because they treat their body like a couch instead of a weapon. Welcome to the health path. Inside the green drop, we confront the war within the body and expose what's killing men quietly. Not all at once, but piece by piece. Look around, soft men are everywhere. Soft backs, soft sleep, soft food, soft minds. A man's body used to signal power. Now it signals passivity. In the tribe of OLP, we reject softness like poison, because that's what it is. Every processed meal you eat, every lazy hour on the couch, every time you skip the workout, you're dosing yourself with weakness. Weak men don't get legacy, they get forgotten. Let's name the pain. You feel tired, you crave sugar, you ache in your joints, you snore like a bear, you can't focus, your gut sticks out, your back hurts. You think it's aging, but it's not. It's neglect. Your body isn't broken, it's betrayed. By you. That's the pain. Now here's the fix. Fix number 1. Warrior fuel. Only cut the soft food. If it comes in a box or a bag, it doesn't belong in your body. Warriors eat protein, clean fat, greens, and water. No man on a mission eats like a slave to convenience. Start each day with 40 grams of protein and a full liter of water. Your body will thank you with energy and fire. Fix number 2. Movement is a mandate. You don't need a gym, you need motion. Push-ups, walking, jump rope, bodyweight squats, burpees every day. No rest days for movement. Movement is life. A still man is a dying man. A strong man moves because motion makes blood flow, hormones rise, and spirit wake. Fix number 3. Sleep is sacred. If you're not sleeping right, you're not healing. No screens 90 minutes before bed. Black out your room. Cool temperature. Magnesium and salt water before sleep. Wake up at the same time daily. Sleep is not luxury, it's recovery. Centurions don't get rest, they get rebuilt every night. Fix number 4. Train pain weekly. Once a week, put yourself through something brutal. Ruck 5 miles with weight, sprint hills, do 300 push-ups. Something that reminds your nervous system you're alive. Pain is the price for clarity. Weakness exits the body when challenge enters. The body is the first test. Before money, before women, before mission. If your body's broken, everything else collapses under the pressure. You don't get to skip this path. In OLP Nation, health is the front line. Because when the fire comes, and it always does, you'll either fight or fold, and folding is for scrolls. The old world raised soft men, but this world demands centurions. You will not survive this era of confusion, addiction, and comfort without a weaponized body. You'll be manipulated. You'll be pacified. You'll be erased. Not you, not here, not now. You're waking up, you feel it, you know you're behind. Good, that means it's real. Start where you are, fix what you've broken, honor the temple, defend the vessel, command your flesh, because once your body is under control, your mind becomes unstoppable. This is the health path, not for aesthetics, not for attention, but for armor. The next battle is coming. Prepare your body like your mission depends on it, because it does. OLP Nation is watching. Centurions are rising. Scrolls will fall. Choose your side. Choose OLP 365.